Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this stylish 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done 15,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.